This is the second part of the Honda EGS 5500 CXS generator review. We will try to run it in the automatic mode to see if the voltage and frequency match the specifications. Let's put the station generator controller in the automatic mode. We can see the voltage is 227 to 128 volts. Now let's turn off the power and start our generator. The frequency is 51.0, 51.5 Hz. Voltage is 235 volts, mostly stable. Turn the power back on. The generator will shut down and enter the cooling mode. This device is really quiet, probably even more quiet than other models that use Honda engine, with no high frequencies and soft vibration. For example, the muffler is not fixed to the engine, you can detach it, but it still doesn't fall off because the vibration is really soft. Overall, I can recommend this generator, especially since the difference from the analogous models like Sawafuji, LMX and Subaru is not that big. Thanks for watching. 'Cause we're gonna be legends!